What's going on, YouTube? Want to do a quick unboxing really quick. It's something I picked up that I'm putting on the H22A4 that some of you guys know might have watched. I'm putting back in my 94 Prelude for now and decided to take the H23 VTEC out, and I'm going to build that one for the future. Not sure exactly where I'm going with it, but that's going to be the one that it's going to be sitting on the engine stand for a while. So what I picked up on here was a set of VMS Racing Viper Fang adjustable cam gears generation 2, and I'm gonna try to unbox these and do the best I can here. Like I said, I'm getting my whole setup still done, so angles will be a little bit different in future videos. But they did win a award at SEMA not too long ago. I don't know if you guys have ever messed with VMS. Here's the part number. I just want to make sure I show it on there for you. These for the H22, I believe the H22, H23 VTEC, any of the H22s, and I think the F20, the F20B, I think, if it's those. I have had nothing but good luck with VMS. They're more of like a starting brand, I believe. They've been around for a few years, but like really popping off the past few years. Everything I have gotten from them, for my CRV, I got their lug nuts, their locking lug nuts, which are beautiful. The finish on them seems to be much better than some of the even more expensive ones I've owned. I haven't had any trouble with stripping, any issues. Just all around great lug nut. I would check those, and that's the extended ones I got from them. Another thing too I also got from them was my MSD Blaster Coil 2 kit with the distributor cap, rotor, and their 10.2 millimeter spark plug wires, and NGK Iridium spark plugs. They had a whole little like bundle going on, and I bought those for my B20 CRV, and I've had that on there for, I want to say, since 2017, and since 2017 I've had no issues with it. It's been great. So everything I've had from them so far for me has been great, and I've heard a lot of good from other people that I've known in town that's had stuff from them and picked up other stuff. So that's just a little bit of my feedback, because I know some of you guys asked me and I want to get that out there on my feedback with VMS products. But I picked these up because these were $109, and yes, I am running stock cams before anybody yells at me, but with my Honda S300 and the few bolt-ons I had, I talked to a few tuners, and they were like, yeah, you'll be able to adjust timing a little bit, might get a little bit out of some cam gears. I wanted to see if I could get anything out of them really with the stock cams and adjust. I've heard some people say yes you can, some people say no you can't. $109 to the door for these two, you know? I couldn't beat that for trying it. So basically, I'm gonna unbox it here right with you, and that's how they come. They're all wrapped up in little bubble wrap. One thing I want to say right off the bat's cool is, you guys know, if you watch me, I'm a sticker guy, and you know, with a lot of companies, even bigger names, they're doing cutbacks every which way, and you don't even get like a sticker. If you do, you get a really cheesy, cheap sticker. It's terrible. It doesn't last long or anything. I kind of think that's kind of crappy, you know what I mean? Because that was always like, even since you know, the old school days when it was primarily muscle cars and stuff like that, it was always, you know, you got like a sticker with it, kind of a catalog, something to kind of go with you, even a free shirt, something that was just like, hey, thanks for your business, appreciate you, and you know, hey, help get our name out. I always liked that. I always thought that was cool, and I thought that was something to do, and it just shows, you know, your customer, hey, we appreciate you. So a lot of companies don't do that anymore. VMS does, and they still give a pretty badass little sticker. It is a good sticker, good quality sticker. And I'm always impressed with it, and it's in every box I ever get from anything from them. Another thing is they give like a little catalog. I'm not going to open it up all the way here, but I mean, this thing has like almost everything they have available. I mean, like here's on the back of this, the lug nuts. And they, of course, comes with a little disclaimer. You know, that's something, these are for off-road use only, and you decide what you want to do with them. But basically, you know, I I think they're either partner company or they own, or it's just their other side company, the ESR wheels, which is their wheels are getting pretty good. They're really starting to make some really nice wheels from types that are kind of like reps to their very own. So I see big things for the company in my eyes. I don't know. We'll see where it goes. I hope they keep going and pushing out stuff with affordable products. But the main reason why I made this video was because I noticed a lot of people didn't know this, and the ones that didn't really put anything out to explain it, which I thought was kind of crappy. So first, before I get to that, why I mainly put this video, I'll show this. This is the VMS cam gear. I got it in red. Beautiful. I mean, the cuts, everything, the engineering of it looks very decent. It's a 6-bolt, you know, cam gear. Even tells you torque to 15 there. If you guys can see that, if they'll zoom in. I don't know if it's gonna zoom in. Don't want to focus. Oh well. Anyways, torquing to 15 foot-pounds of torque. Excuse me, I'm getting over a little bit of crap again. But in the stock cam gears on the H22 and the H23 VTEC and a few other ones I can't remember, the key is built in to the actual cam gear. You can't knock it out. Some of them are just, they're built into that, and I want to believe like the B20 A 5 or B20A that was in like 3rd gen Preludes and a few other, those cam keys actually come off, so you can reuse them to a new cam. These ones you can't for some reason. I'm not sure exactly why Honda decided to do that, but you want to pick up the key from Honda. Now they were on back order, so I had to order these from a company, and you might be able to get a Majestic Honda. You may be able to find it, you know, wherever you go through, your local dealer, somebody on the internet. I went to a guy that had them on eBay. I bought a few of them, and they're not super expensive. But here is the part number. I wanted to make sure it's up there for you guys to look for that. And that will give you the separate key. You just slide that in and boom, then you can use your cam gears. And it's 90741 657 000. And of course, no 2 dashes between there. But I did not know that on the H22s. I had known about it and actually forgot. Ordered them, take them off, look at them like son of a bitch. So I actually had to wait for those to come, and now I'm gonna finally get them put on. But yeah, it's just something I wanted to let you guys know in case any of you guys are gonna be ordering for your H22 or possibly any other motor that might have it. Just double check it. That was something I actually completely, I knew, like I said, about it. For some motors, completely forgot to check on there. So, and when I started researching, there wasn't a whole lot informing you on that. So yeah, guys, that's basically the VMS Viper Fang cam gear, adjustable cam gears, generation 2. I just opened one here, but I got obviously a pair of them. And then the key, like I was saying. So hopefully that helps. That was just a quick little video I wanted to make on that, explaining that, and I'll do more once I install them, and we'll also see once if I can finally get it tuned and get to the shop and everything. We'll see how long that takes. Still working on this project, but tuning right now is just hard to get into too. The wait list is really long, so we'll see where it goes. All right, have a good one, YouTube.